All right, next in milling our stock for our picture frames, we're gonna make sure that the blade is the right height. And we got our fence set for 3/4 of an inch. And we're gonna cut a few pieces this way, and then we're gonna rotate them and cut the other way to make sure that we have a square cross section for our piece. Next, we're going to mark out the groove that we're going to cut in our piece of stock so that we can have a place for the picture to go. Part of that groove is a 1/2 inch down. A little tricky to show you right here. And then the other part is a 1/4 inch down. And this is the section that we're going to remove. When we cut this, we want to make sure that we cut our first cut here and our first cut here. It actually can be the other way, either way, but the piece that gets removed can't be trapped in between the blade and the fence, or else it can be it can get thrown back at you. So I'm gonna make this cut. I'm gonna make this cut first, and then I'm gonna make this cut with this piece ending up outside of the blade. Now I'm gonna set the blade height to make sure that it is below a 1/2 inch, and I can sneak up on my line after doing a few test cuts. Alrighty, so here we go. I'm gonna set this to right here. And we'll see what that looks like. I can see that I've got a good placement for that first cut. My first cut's done, and now I'm going to set the cut for the other one. Or I'm going to do all the pieces at that setting first. Now I'm going to set the blade to remove this piece of wood right here. So I'm going to roll my piece sideways, set the blade to very low up to meet this corner, and then this piece will separate off to the side. Now I have the stock ready for my picture frame.